Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best Saniflo Upflush toilet on the market, the simple Projec 600W Macerating toilet system. If you're dealing with a basement bathroom or any area where traditional plumbing is a challenge, this powerful and silent Upflush toilet could be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, what makes this system stand out is its impressive macerating pump powered by a robust 600-watt motor. This pump is designed to efficiently grind and pump waste, making it possible to install a full bathroom almost anywhere, even where standard plumbing can't reach. It can pump waste vertically up to 29 feet and horizontally up to 295 feet, which is a testament to its strong performance and versatility. One of the key features that sets the simple Projec macerating toilet apart is its superior connectivity. It offers 4 water inlets that allow you to connect not just the toilet but also your shower, laundry, and wash basin waste lines. This flexibility means you can set up a fully functional bathroom with multiple fixtures connected to one system without any hassle. This is especially handy in basement renovations or in spaces where running multiple drainage lines would otherwise be complicated. Installation is made easy with the rear outlet design. Unlike traditional toilets that might require major wall modifications or complicated plumbing adjustments, this toilet can be installed with minimal disruption. The outlet can be discreetly placed either outside or inside the wall, giving you options to keep your bathroom looking clean and organized. Durability and quiet operation are important factors when choosing any bathroom fixture, and the simple Projec macerator delivers on both. The pump features stainless steel blades that are built to last and minimize noise, so you won't have to worry about loud or disruptive sounds every time the toilet flushes. Plus, the included AC vent enhances ventilation and system performance, helping maintain a fresh and hygienic bathroom atmosphere. From a design perspective, this is a 2-piece floor-mounted toilet made from high-quality ceramic. It measures about 19.3 inches deep, 14.5 inches wide, and stands 30.7 inches tall, offering a comfortable and practical size for most bathroom spaces. The seat is made of plastic, providing durability and ease of cleaning. The product package includes everything you need for installation: a water tank, macerating pump, toilet, installation instructions, and accessories, so you won't have to worry about sourcing additional parts. At about 88 pounds, it's a solid and sturdy unit, built to last. This macerating toilet system is ideal for anyone needing an effective waste disposal solution in tough plumbing situations, such as basements or older buildings where traditional waste lines are inaccessible or costly to install. Its powerful motor and flexible connections make it a practical and reliable choice for both residential and commercial applications. To sum up, the simple Projec 600W macerating toilet system combines powerful performance, easy installation, and versatile connectivity to deliver an excellent Upflush toilet experience. It's silent, efficient, and designed to handle challenging plumbing scenarios with ease, making it a standout option for anyone looking to add a bathroom in unconventional spaces. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more detailed insights on home improvement products.